This is a very special season. Happy birthday, FabFitFun! Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday from all of us to you. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Hey! I'm living out my Applebee's dreams. Hey you guys, we're here for a special birthday edition of Customized Close-Up, and today I'm sharing some of the amazing new items that you can choose for your spring box. This is all about customization 1, so make sure you stick around until the end because I have a little birthday gift for you, and I'll give you a hint. It's a code to help you save some money on your box. So let's get started. Way back in 2013, Miley Cyrus was twerking, and I had just started working at FabFitFun. And 10 years later, here we are. Let's get into this box. First up, we have the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. This is the moisturizer of my dreams. It's ultra lightweight, it's a gel cream moisturizer, and it contains 3 types of hyaluronic acid for nonstop skin plumping hydration. Love that. Hyaluronic acid is an amazing ingredient that I always incorporate into my skincare routine. This is a nice, easy way to just get it right in every single time. This is an oil-free formula and it helps to improve skin tone and texture. So to use this, you're just gonna glide the Cloud Dew over your clean skin for a fresh, dewy look, or you could wear it under makeup if you want a smooth finish. There's no scent, and I know that some of you guys are worried about like strong fragrances in your skincare. It has an amazing gel consistency, and they really were not kidding about a cloud. This goes on like an absolute dream. Nice and light. When I go to sleep, I've got my whole skincare routine, and in my last step, I like to look like a Krispy Kreme donut. My boyfriend tries to come give me a kiss on the cheek. No, I want him sliding straight off my cheek, down the hall, into the kitchen. Basically, I want my face to become a slip and slide, and that is how I know that I am doing my skincare right. This balloon keeps like squeaking in the back and it's making it sound like I'm just farting. I'm not farting, guys. Okay, moving on. This next product is guaranteed to make you 10 times cooler. This is the June Shine Cooler Backpack in Summer Citrus or Marine Blue. You don't want to be walking from your car to the beach or to the park or wherever you're going and be dragging all your drinks, and you know your girl brings a lot of wine. You don't want to be, dragging it along the ground with a little crick in your back by the time you get to the end. A cooler backpack just changes the cooler game. What's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. All right. Now, ladies, yeah. You know you bad? What? I think I'm mixing songs now. It's a remix, it's a mashup. Those were huge in 2013. June Shine is committed to donating 1% of all sales to environmental nonprofits through 1% for the planet. So we love a brand that gives back. That's an amazing reason to pick this on its own, but honestly, you're gonna wanna pick it anyway. It comes in these 2 different prints, so if you want something a little bit more that's a little bit more like streamlined and classic and gonna pair with anything, then you'll wanna pick the Marine Blue. But if you want something with a little bit more pop, more colors to play with, then you're gonna wanna pick the Summer Citrus. It's got these adorable little oranges. Inside we have this zippered compartment, and then we have a nice padded, insulated interior. And here we have another little pocket. This one is not insulated, so you can put things in there that you don't necessarily want to keep cool. Of course, it has the handle on the top, and then it has padded straps that can be adjusted at the bottom for whatever length you want them. And going hands-free is really where it's at when you're going to the park for your picnics or whatever you're going to. You want to make sure that you have all your hands free, one for your kids, one for your can of hard kombucha. Whatever you need, you'll be able to have your hands free and do that. Do I look like I'm going to school? Listen, do not mix this up with your kid's backpack. This is mommy's lunchbox, okay? Now that I have this, I feel like I'm ready to be a mom. Just kidding. You love this next brand so much that we are bringing it back. This is the Jonathan Adler Carafe and Cup Set. With these, you're gonna be able to elevate your space, whether it's on your bedside table or on your kitchen table or outside if you're hosting. You don't wanna just have like a water bottle sitting there. A carafe is gonna make you look so put together. Listen, I'm the queen of hosting hacks, making it look like I tried really hard, but I really did not. You can put anything in this. You can put water, keep you hydrated all day, or you can make yourself a little spring bevy, little cocktail, little mocktail if you want. If you're keeping it bedside for water, that's a great way to make sure that you're drinking tons of water right before you go to bed, and it just looks so beautiful and improves the aesthetic in your home. And honestly, just having a carafe instead of a water bottle just makes me feel so fancy. I'm so fancy. Oh my God, I went Iggy Azalea but country. The Texas is really in there. You don't want to put this in the microwave, but it is dishwasher safe and it fits right on top. So cute, just like that. How adorable is that? It's so chic. I always say they really get it, but Jonathan Adler really gets it. Once you carafe, you never go back. So those are the highlights of customization 1. Wait. We got Kate Spade sunglasses. This season, members can choose between the Kate Spade Samantha sunglasses or the Kate Spade Emmeline sunglasses. So the Kate Spade Samantha glasses are really going to give you that classic cat eye look, and they're gonna bring out your inner who else but Samantha from Sex and the City. They're the perfect silhouette to just take your looks to the next level. Even if you're just like walking down the street to go get coffee, you're gonna throw these on and you're immediately going to look put together. Everyone wants to be us. And then when we get back to New York, we need to contact Leslie, see what she can do to minimize the press. Is that right? The black is just gonna go with everything that you own. These are the easiest sunglasses to just throw on and immediately look like you just have your life together. You're the CEO, you are a boss, boss lady. A cat eye is universally flattering on everybody, so you don't even need to try these on to know that they're gonna look amazing on you. And then on the opposite side of the New York vibes that these are giving me, we have these West Coast style aviators. The Emmeline aviators are gonna bring out your inner Top Gun. It's giving Tom Cruise, they're gonna give you that nice beachy look. Personally, I love an aviator with a ball cap. Do we have a ball cap that we could put on with it? I think that aviators and ball caps just go together like, peanut butter and jelly, Swiss and cheese. Me and Liam Hemsworth. Casey. The frame on these is nice and light, and then you also have these little rubber nose pads right here. So these are just going to be a super comfortable everyday sunglass. You can wear them hungover, going to the coffee shop down the street, just throw them on, no makeup, throw on a baseball cap, immediately look chic. Where's the paparazzi? Oh my God, stop. These sunglasses are just the real star, and I understand. You wanna know where I got them? I got them from FabFitFun, but listen, I need to go get my venti iced latte. Aviators are a new style for us. We have never offered an aviator in the box before. I also think that these are like the perfect size of aviator. They're not too small, they're not way too big and gonna overpower your face, so I love the silhouette that this is giving. We know that you guys loved Kate Spade from previous boxes, so I really wanna know which of these do you think is going to sell out first? The Samantha or the Emmeline? Either way, you really cannot go wrong with either of these Kate Spade picks. I wear my sunglasses at night so I can't. I don't know. I sang so much in this episode, I hope they cut it all out. This is the Fenty Skin Flash Nap Instant Revival Priming Eye Gel Cream, and it comes with an eye massage tool. Have you ever seen this before? This is crazy. I love this. With this pair, you can fake 8 hours of sleep and give off well-rested vibes anytime, anywhere, and trust me, I need it. So if you're a little bit, puffy after binging Grey's Anatomy for a night and just crying it out, lifesaver. Just massage it on out. It feels so nice. It's nice and cooling. It's formulated with green tea, and it's gonna reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles, and it's gonna plump the look of those fine lines. It comes with this mini cooling eye massage tool, and it just feels so good. Honestly, I could get addicted to this. This is super easy to use it day or night. all you're gonna do is just tap a little bit using your ring finger, keep it nice and delicate right under the eye, and then you can use the massage roller for an instant amped up cooling effect, and it's just gonna soothe and revitalize that delicate skin around the eyes. Also, you could like travel with this anywhere so easily. Obviously, Fenty Skin comes from Rihanna. She also had a huge year in 2013, and she gives us our favorite birthday song. We want that cake, 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 cake. Oh, baby, I like it. I gotta stop singing. If you were just singing along with me to Birthday Cake, and you know all those lyrics, it is time for an eye cream.
Your Majesty, only Amika could take this and give you
A princess. Amika is back with the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner is always a good choice, but this is an up and coming brand. You guys, you need to get on the Amika train. Just like our skin, our hair also needs some extra hydration. Spring is an amazing time to do this because we're coming off of winter with the dry air, and it's just wreaked havoc on our hair. So this shampoo and conditioner is gonna be ultra hydrating, it reduces breakage, and it is immersed in natural, potent ingredients. I feel like I'm like very intense right now. It's good for any hair type, any texture and style. Listen, my hair is not my strong suit whatsoever until I use this. My hair is wavy and it's frizzy and it's all over the place, but this really calms it down, smooths it out. You can really feel the moisture going into your hair. It's gonna look better, it's gonna feel better. Your hairstylist is gonna say, what have you changed? And it's gonna be this. It's great to use with other Amika products from the past, and you might even see another Amika product in another customization, and you compare it all together and really amp up your hair routine. Amika has a signature scent that is just beautiful. You're gonna love it, and you're really gonna look forward to washing your hair. I know for myself, I kind of like dread the day where I have to wash my hair, but this is really gonna make you look forward to it because it just feels so good and it smells so good. This next item you've been asking for, I bet you never thought we were gonna bring it to you, but we are bringing you the Coach Apple Watch strap. She is beautiful, isn't she? So this is made exclusively for use with the 38mm, 40mm, and 41mm Apple Watch. It's gonna look great with the Apple Watch you already have, or if you don't have an Apple Watch, this is a great time to ask somebody for one because this Apple Watch strap is going to look beautiful with anything you pair it with, and that's rare to find. Usually you can wear one that looks great working out, or you can get one that looks a little bit dressy, but this one actually is so versatile that it's gonna look great with anything. You never have to change it if you don't want to. It's a really pretty mint silicone strap that's embossed with the Coach signature, and it secures with stainless steel hardware. This is one of the rare straps that is actually functional and fashionable. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Is it okay to wear an Apple Watch to a fancy event? I think with this one, you definitely can. In the beauty tech category, we have the Lumina NRG Eye Lift. So this uses red LED and thermal therapy. It's designed to help treat the delicate area around the eyes, which is so important. It smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So how it's gonna work is it's gonna stimulate that blood circulation to the eye area, and that's just gonna promote elasticity and reduce puffiness. This is gonna be a great alternative to those like scary LED full masks, and this way you won't scare your dog or your roommate or your spouse or your children or your plants. Or your cat. It charges with this little USB cable, and then to use it, you can just apply your skincare, you press the power button, you select your desired temperature, and then you're gonna glide the eye wand around your eye area. It also doubles as a Men in Black memory eraser. It's like the woman version of that. Women in Black. Your memory's gone. My memory's already gone. And all I remember is songs from 2013. So those are the highlights of Customization 1. For a full look at all of the items that you can choose this season, make sure that you customize your spring box. And that code that I promised you in the beginning is Spring Close-Up. Let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and I will see you next season. So annoying.